guys, welcome back to the channel, Chicken Gamer here. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make a day and night cycle in your Roblox game. It's super easy to do and it only takes 3 lines of code to make this work. So let's get straight into the video. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is go into Serve Script Service and add a script. And you can name this to whatever you like. It doesn't matter, as we're not going to be making any references to the script from any other scripts, so you can just leave it, but it doesn't matter what you want to name it. So it only takes 3 lines of code, which is probably one of the shortest scripts in the world. Yeah, let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you need to type is while wait, then some brackets do. Then inside these brackets is the amount of seconds you want to wait before the time changes again. So remember, the lower the number, the more smoothly like the time is gonna move. So like if it's like high, like 5 seconds, then the sun and the moon's gonna be moving like very slowly. So it's best to change to like 0.01 or something like that. 0.01 is a lower number, and it makes the sun and moon move smoothly, so it doesn't look like it's lagging. So once you typed out this line, drop a line. Then on the third line, an end should appear. If it doesn't, then make sure you just type it out yourself. Then in the line in between, you need to do an indent. It should have already done one for you. And now you need to type game.lighting.clocktime equals game.lighting.clocktime plus, and then how much you want to change the clock by, so 0.01. remember, it's just the same with this one. The lower the number means the longer the day is. So if it's like a high number, it means the day is going to be a bit longer. If it's a lower number, then it's going to be lower, so like 0.01 or 0.01. I'd recommend 0.01 if you want like if you want the sun and moon to move realistically. But it just means that the day is going to be a bit longer. So it doesn't matter. It's entirely up to you what number you want these to be. But I'm just going to leave it as this for an example. So I'm just going to click the run button because you don't need to actually go into the game to test this out. So I'm just going to run it. Then if you look up the sky, you'll see that the sun is moving. It is actually moving, but I'm just going to make the number a bit lower, just so that it's obvious that it's moving. Then look, the sun is moving, and once it's gone down to the other side, then the moon should start coming up. You can see that the moon is coming up now. Now it's like dark. Alright, so if this video helped and you want to see more videos like this in the future, then make sure you like, subscribe and turn the bell to be notified when that video comes out. Also remember to leave video suggestions in the comment section down below for a shout out on my videos. So yeah, until next time, bye.